Hey, Chris, can you talk a little bit more about angels, like kind of what they are? I mean, do you know what they are, or can you deduce what they are exactly? I mean,
Angels are conventionally as ordinarily defined and understood by the people who have been using the concept of angels for centuries. Angels are messengers of God that do not have ordinary degrees of freedom. God gives them something to do, imparts something directly to them, and they make sure it gets done. They cannot break out of it. They're basically in bondage to God on this level. That's what makes an angel. They don't share all of our degrees of freedom. Okay? So that's what you're talking about. However, they do have some degrees of freedom. They are adaptive to certain things that they confront. And that is probably the best way to define an angel.
well, is an angel like a coherent being, or is it just like a group of intentions?
Oh, marvelously coherent, incredibly coherent. Second only to God in coherence.